Good day everyone. Learn how to fix Windows 11 slow boot time or slow startup issues. It's a very common problem and it is fixable, and let's go ahead and fix it. So the very first step is to disable the startup programs. It is the first troubleshooting common step which we are going to do by just doing a right click in the start icon and then go to task manager, and here I'll maximize it, and from here you will find an option called startup apps. So this is the first step which we are going to do, and here you can simply click on that and you can sort those applications by enabled or disabled. I can see there is Java, which you can disable at the startup if you wish. And if you see any unwanted application which you do not need, you can simply disable it. Please make sure that any security, internet, or graphics, you do not disable that. Alright. So anything which can be used later, that can be disabled. So you need to check before disabling any startup apps. Just check it, search it, and then disable it. So this is the first step which we are going to do. And the second is to update the Windows. So if you haven't updated your computer for a long time, ensure to update your computer. Just click on the search icon and type Windows update, or just type update only. Okay. And you will find check for updates and see if there is any available updates are there. If it's there, try to install it. Now, the third step is to check how much space we have got in the computer. That can also be an issue. So type File Explorer in the search icon and then go to this PC and see how much space you have. Alright. So if you have less space, that can be also an issue with the startup. And the next is if you have huge temporary files in the computer. So for that, you just need to do a right click in the start icon, go to run, and here you need to type clean mgr. I'll maximize it so that you can type it. Clean mgr is a cleanup tool, and you just need to click on OK. And here you need to check mark all these options. You can select temporary files, recycle bin, it's up to you. All these are created by the computer, not by you. And once you have selected, just check recycle bin as well. If you want to keep that, you can uncheck it. I will check mark. So this is a clean computer. It doesn't have much junk, but in your computer, you might have huge number of junk files. So that also should be cleaned, and you just need to click on OK, and this will start cleaning up your computer. The next thing is to scan for the virus. So if you have any malwares running in the computer, any infection, that can also be a reason of slow startup or slow boot time. So if you want to run a third-party app, you can do that. I will let you know which third-party app it is. And if you do not want to install any third-party or scan, you can simply use the MRT tool. I'll tell you, you just need to do a right click in the start icon, go to run, and type MRT. I'll maximize it. And you just need to click on OK. A new window will pop up and it will ask you to say yes. And then you will see a malicious removal tool. Malicious software removal tool. You just need to click on next. You can do a quick scan. It will take 2 to 5 minutes. And if you want to do a full scan, it might take several hours. So you can try the quick scan first, which will take 2 to 5 minutes. And once it is done, just restart the computer. And one more thing, one bonus tip, which I would recommend, is to do a right click in the start icon, let this scan happen, and do a right click and click on run and type appwiz.cpl. So here appwiz.cpl is to check which all applications are installed in the computer, and you just need to check how much size it is taking. Alright, you can sort it by this, and then you can simply, uninstall it by just doing a right click, select it, uninstall. So if you no longer need any software, you can remove it, because that could also be taking a lot of resources of the computer at the startup and using the computer resources. So you can uninstall it. In this manner, the computer will feel lighter and the performance of your computer will be better. And I'm sure if you have done all these steps, this will fix the slow boot time or slow startup issues. If you want to run a third-party scanner for virus removal, any infections, you can simply open Google and type malware bytes. And please make sure that you only visit malwarebytes.com, and you can download a free software and you can scan your computer if there is any infection in the computer. All right. So after all these steps, do let me know in the comment section if your slow boot or the slow startup time has been fixed or not. Please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad if you do so. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.